Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Since March 14th has been confined between two levels. A pattern that can be seen by closely examining the movement suggests that SHIB is set up for an immediate upswing. The demand for memecoins surged as the April 20th deadline drew near, which made people recall the first memecoin, Dogecoin. Investors, however, were let down by Elon Musk's absence and the Dogecoin's failure to gain traction. To make matters worse, a sudden uptick in selling pressure caused the price of Bitcoin to drop by 5%, and as the week went on, it rose to 10%. Despite the recent event, the Shiba Inu price appears poised for a swift increase and may seize the chance that Dogecoin missed. We will discuss if you should purchase Shiba Inu coins before May 20th in this video. Shib Shib news can help you go to bed early. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shiba Inu price reached a regional high of $15 on February 4th, and then dropped by almost 38% over the following 4 weeks. On March 10th, the bottom of this decline was reached at $0.964, and since then SHIB has been constrained in a consolidation. Careful observation demonstrates that liquidity sweeps are the catalysts for a turbulent move, and therefore this newly established range extends. For instance, on April 15th the range high at $0.1 was swept, and several 4-hour candlestick closes below $0.00117 were subsequently recorded. This buy-stop liquidity grab sparked a downturn of 14%. Shiba Inu's price dropped, crossed the $0.1 mark, and has since risen by around 4% as of the time of this writing. Shiba Inu's price might be due for another retest of the range high at $0.117 if past trends hold true. SHIB could extend higher and retest the $0.126 mark, which is the midpoint of the 38% drop between February 4th and March 10th, though, if the purchasing pressure increases and persists. This change would represent a 22% increase above the existing level. The surge makes sense, but if the Shiba Inu price does not maintain this positive momentum, things could go wrong. The bullish argument will be refuted if SHIB creates a significant 4-hour candlestick, closes below $0.101, and turns into a resistance level. In such a scenario, the price of Shiba Inus might return to the range bottom of the 38% drop at $96. A leading exchange in Dubai, Citox, has announced that it will launch BONE, the Shiba Inu DX Shibaswap governance token, today. An official listing date for BONE Shibaswap has been published by Citox, a Dubai-based exchange that is expanding quickly. Shibaswap's governance token is called BONE. The exchange officially announced on Sunday via its Twitter account that it intended to list BONE today as one of the top exchanges in Dubai and the UAE. By introducing BONE to UAE investors through Citox, the asset may see a boom in adoption and rise in demand. In order to draw attention to its promise, the UAE has continued to show its commitment to being a Web3 hub by passing favorable legislation that encourage crypto innovation. Today, Citox published a tweet, attempting to reaffirm its dedication to offering BONE support. Who is enthusiastic about the listing of BONEs? The Citox crew asked. Expectedly, the development has sparked discussion among supporters. 1 week after Citox announced that BONE would be listed, there has been a recent disclosure. The asset had come out on top of a poll asking users which project they thought the exchange should list next. Citox acknowledged that it will list SHIB, although it did not give a specific date for the listing. The popular Seychelles-based exchange OX has started a poll to decide which meme tokens it should support on its platform. The exchange indicated that, out of a possible 5 tokens, it would list the top 3. According to a separate poll carried out on its Chinese account, users must deposit a minimum of 10 USDT worth of the selected asset to their OX wallets in order to take part. With an amazing 62% of the vote, BONE is currently in the lead. An official Ox wallet is said to have been gathering bones since the poll's start, amassing a total of $1.61 million in the asset. In the midst of these encouraging developments, Bone defeated the Bears after mounting a comeback, securing its place as one of the best-earning assets among the top 500 tokens on CMC. In the last day, the asset has increased by 6.1% in value, trading at $1.20. According to recent reports, investors have continued to pay close attention to Shiba Inu, with India being a particularly active market for the asset. Shiba Inu was the most traded asset on CoinSwitch's platform over the prior week, one of India's biggest exchanges, according to a remarkable development. This statement was made by CoinSwitch today via its official Twitter account, using information from its trading volume from April 15th to April 20th. The top 5 traded assets on the marketplace during this time are included in the list, with Shiba Inu taking the top spot and Bitcoin, BTC, coming in second, while ETH moves up to 5th while Doge stays in 3rd place. The statement highlights the enormous interest in Shiba Inus among Indian investors. When Vitalik Buterin, the creator of Ethereum, contributed 50 trillion Shiba Inu coins to the Indian COVID-19 relief fund 2 years ago, Shiba Inu began to gain popularity in India. At the time, the funds had a $1 billion value. Shiba Inu has taken over as the preferred cryptocurrency for the majority of Indian investors after the exposure, controlling a sizable portion of trade volume in the nation. In addition to last week, the top traded asset on CoinSwitch from February 25th to March 11th was Shib. Since February 5th, the asset has been on the top 5 list each week. These statistics from CoinSwitch come after an earlier investigation published by WazirX, another significant cryptocurrency exchange in India. Shiba Inu was the most popular asset among first-time traders in India throughout the year 2022, WazirX revealed in December 2022. Shib ranked 5th in terms of volume of trades on WazirX in 2022. Shiba Inus were the most traded asset in India during that time, according to reports in October 2022. According to Nomics, a source of cryptocurrency market data, Shib was the most traded token on 3 of India's most popular exchanges. ZEP, Coinx, and WazirX. Shiba Inu has proven remarkably resilient over the past 3 days despite the continued slump that has been hurting the larger crypto market. The asset has kept its position above the crucial threshold of $0.1 despite the adverse push. A group of Finder industry experts previously forecasted a significant increase of 350% in its price within the next 2 years. A panel of 55 financial industry experts provided their opinions to Finder, a top comparison website for the sector, to offer a knowledgeable analysis of Shiba Inu pricing changes. The expected direction of Shib's price by 2025 was accepted by this renowned group of specialists. This panel's projection as a whole predicted that Shiba Inu would increase to $0.4930 by 2025. The asset's present value would increase by 380% from zero if the price target was met. Alex Kupsikovich, a senior financial analyst and market expert at FX Pro, has a more upbeat outlook on Shib's price. According to the financial expert, Shib will soar by 875% from its current value to a spectacular price of $0.1 by 2025. There are a lot of different meme coins. Kupsikovich said that although it can ride the current waves of the cryptocurrency market, it is unlikely to roar like it did in 2021. The panelists discussed the asset's prospects while taking into account the ability of Shibarium Shiba Inu's Layer 2 network to sustain price fluctuations for the asset and the larger Shiba Inu ecosystem. Shibarium was expected to have a 25% positive influence on Shib's pricing and a 22% neutral impact, according to the analysts. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.